It is very important and critical as an educational leader to make sure that there is clear communication regarding your policies and your plans. And most importantly, to make sure that you have policies and plans set up well in advance that everyone is familiar with relative to communication. In the moment of a crisis, your district community needs to hear from one voice, and everyone should know who that voice is. You can have wonderful policies that your board passes, but if you do not communicate and convey to your community that you care, you will fail to successfully lead. You can have wonderful plans, and you can practice those plans, but if those plans are not executed with a heart of caring, no one will care. Ultimately, at the end of the day, what your school community needs to know is that you care. And your ability to connect with people and communicate a heart connection with folks and let them know that you genuinely and sincerely care about them, their children, and the well-being of the community is ultimately, at the end of the day, what you will be judged by. Your policies and your plans need to effectively communicate and connect with your community the message that you care and that you will keep the children of the community safe and that they will be well educated and in great hands. That is your role as a leader.